So students, today we are starting with EVS 1 chapter 15, communication and mass media. We watch TV at our home and we see different channels. Where do they come from? We talk with our near and dear ones on the mobile phones, and how this communication is possible. So as in our first chapter, we have already learned about launching of spacecraft and artificial satellites. And these artificial satellites are used in modern methods of communication. Through these satellites, the signals are delivered very quickly from one point to another. For example, we watch live telecast of any events going in any part of the world. That is the cricket matches, football, tennis, any matches. We can see directly whether it can be in India, whether they are taking place in England, Australia, America, anywhere, we can see the live telecast, and that is possible just because of the artificial satellites. Also, with the help of our mobile phones, we can directly talk to the people in other countries. If some of your relatives or friends stay in some other countries, Dubai, America, we can directly talk on mobile phone. This is possible just because of the artificial satellites. Also, the president or the prime minister can address the entire nation at the same time over a radio or a television. In the period of COVID, you must have seen the PM of India, Narendra Modi. He has addressed the whole nation many times, and we all were able to see him at the same time. What he used to give us some information about some disease, that is the COVID. Also, the CM, Uddhav Thackeray ji, he has addressed the state many times over the TV, and all the people can see him. And this is the live telecast, and it is possible just because of the artificial satellites that are launched into the space, and they are launched by the means of rockets. So launching, this is the launching of the satellites. It is with the help of rocket, and these are the satellites in the space. These are known as artificial satellites, which helps us, and they are very useful for the communication. Now, with these benefits, there are some advantages also and disadvantages also. So what are the advantages? We can easily contact people who are far away from us. The time and the effort is saved. We can exchange information easily through one call. Instead of visiting the place or visiting anyone's house, we can directly call and exchange the information. Also, this helps to raise awareness about issues such as environmental balance, gender equality, and cleanliness. So, we can spread social awareness regarding the social issues. Also, sometimes on the TV, we get the forecast about some disaster, storm, tsunami, floods, which will uh, harm us. So we get the information on news because of the weather forecast, and then we are alert. Also, we get awareness about the health, the education facilities, and the good things which are happening in our society. They help us in successful implementation of government schemes that are launched for the benefits of people. If there were no TV, how are we supposed to, how will we come to know that what schemes are launched for which needy people? And also, awareness can be raised about matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education, health, and these improves people way of life. So in the COVID period also, many people were homeless. Many people did not get the food just because of the pandemic. So on TV, we have seen many people used to raise funds, they used to help them. Also, mass media helps us in expansion of trade and industry. So it helps us. Online we trade, we invest our money, we sell something, we can purchase some things. So Mass media helps us in that. But with the same thing, we have disadvantages of telecommunication devices. So excessive use of television, computer, mobile phones can cause disorders to our eyes, ears, and back. Also, there are some psychological disorders. We get some kind of stress by watching some sensitive content on our mobile phones. Isolation, that means we sit alone. Isolation means we sit alone. We do not socialize our life. We stay at home. We don't go to play with our friends. These things are possible just because of the telecommunication devices. Also, we get all sort of information through television channels and the internet. And there are possibilities that this information can be misused to disturb the peace and the order in the society. So many people misuse this information. Also, time spent on watching television leads to the neglect of outdoor sports. So nowadays, many people, also many children, they play video game all the time. In the pandemic situation, as we all know, it is not safe to go outside. But that doesn't mean that we can sit on our mobile phone for 24/7. And just because of this, the physical fitness is also neglected. And this has an adverse effect on the physical health. So now you are not supposed to watch TV whole day or play mobile games on mobile phone. Instead, you can read some books, you can play with your siblings, or you can do some other activity. Because this devices can harm our eyes, ears, and also can we can have some psychological disorder. Psychological means related to brain, and this can adversely affect our life. So here we come to an end of this chapter 15. I hope everyone has understood the chapter.